This is going to blow your mind. Becoming a millionaire is more achievable than you think. Imagine living a life of luxury, free from financial stress, and able to pursue your passions without worry. With the right strategies and a bit of determination, almost anyone can accumulate significant wealth over their lifetime. Follow the steps in this guide to become a millionaire. However, the path to wealth is more accessible than it has ever been. With the right strategies and a bit of determination, almost anyone can accumulate significant wealth over their lifetime. In this video, we explain how you can become a millionaire and give you tips and tricks. It is not about quick schemes, but about consistent, disciplined actions that build up over time. The idea is not just to dream, but to act. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you will not only learn how to accumulate wealth, but also how to sustain and grow it. Let's embark on this exciting journey together, exploring how ordinary people have transformed their financial destinies by adhering to simple yet powerful principles. The foundation of becoming a millionaire starts in the mind. A positive and growth-oriented mindset is essential for overcoming the inevitable challenges on the road to financial success. It's about believing in your ability to learn and adapt, understanding that setbacks are just opportunities for growth. This mindset isn't just about blind optimism, but a practical acknowledgement of your potential. Financial education plays a crucial role here. Many people grow up with little to no understanding of how money works. Investing time in understanding financial concepts like compound interest, investment diversification, and the impact of inflation can set you apart from the majority who remain financially illiterate. Knowledge, in this case, is not just power, but profit. Another aspect of the millionaire mindset is setting clear, achievable goals. These goals should not just be about reaching a certain amount of wealth, but also about what you'll do with it. Wealth for its own sake is a hollow goal. Wealth to improve your life and the lives of others around you is what truly motivates and sustains long-term success. By cultivating a millionaire mindset, you are setting the stage for all the practical steps that follow. Remember, every millionaire once had nothing but a plan and the persistence to follow through. Your thoughts are the blueprint from which your financial empire will be built. Saving might sound simple, but it's a powerful step toward becoming a millionaire. It's not just about putting money away, but about making your money work for you. Start by setting aside a fixed percentage of your income, no matter how small, towards savings each month. This habit alone can set you on the path to wealth accumulation. Investing is where your savings truly start to grow. The earlier you start investing, the more you can benefit from compound interest, which Albert Einstein reportedly called the eighth wonder of the world. Whether it's stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate, each investment vehicle has its own set of risks and rewards. Educating yourself about these can help you make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Diversification is another key concept. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different assets, you can reduce risk and increase the potential for return. Remember, investing is not gambling. It's about making calculated decisions based on research and sound advice. Discipline is crucial. The markets can be volatile, and it's easy to react emotionally. A disciplined investor sticks to their strategy, even in downturns, understanding that the market has historically trended upwards over the long term. Patience and discipline are indeed virtues in the world of investing. Section 4. Frugality as a stepping stone. Frugality is often misunderstood. It's not about pinching every penny or denying yourself enjoyment. Rather, it's about maximizing the value of every dollar. By adopting a frugal lifestyle, you can significantly reduce unnecessary expenditures, which can then be redirected towards your savings and investments. Start by analyzing your spending habits. Identify areas where you can cut back without significantly impacting your quality of life. Maybe it's dining out less frequently, opting for more affordable entertainment options, or cutting down on impulse purchases. Small changes can lead to big savings over time. In addition to cutting back, look for ways to increase your income. This could be through side hustles, freelancing, or even investing in your skills to secure a better paying job. More income means more opportunities to save and invest. Remember, Frugality isn't just about saving money, it's about making smarter financial decisions. Frugality also teaches discipline and resourcefulness, qualities that are invaluable on the path to becoming a millionaire. By managing your resources wisely, you're not just saving money, you're also cultivating habits that will serve you well in all areas of life. Section 5. Real-life millionaire stories. And that's how you can become a millionaire, by following these steps and learning from those who have already achieved this dream.